Hi guys, so we're going to talk about x and y intercepts today, and we'll start with the x-intercept. It is the point on the x-axis, which makes sense just from the name. So here we are. If you look at this picture right here, there is the x-intercept. Notice it's on the x-axis right here. All right, and so if you look at the coordinates, you have an x-coordinate and right here, and then the y-coordinate would be 0. Okay, so if you look at this point right here, to get to this point, you go over 5 and then up 0. So the y-coordinate is 0. So if you're going to solve for it algebraically, you substitute. You make y equal to 0. So you put that right there. And then that make 4 times 0 is 0, so that goes away. And you end up with 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals 4. And so the x-intercept as a point would be 4, 0. All right. So as a real-world connection, if you have $30 in savings, so you start out with $30, that would be your right here. And then you're spending $5 per day, so that is your slope, right? You're going down $6 a day. So when you hit 0, right, when your y coordinate is 0, that is your x-intercept. Okay, and that would be the number of days where you have $0. Okay, if this is right here is your savings. All right, and then now for the y-intercept, it's a point on the y-axis. So you are right here, you're on the y-axis. And that means your x-coordinate is 0. So notice here you have your x-coordinate is 0. So if I'm looking at this point here, the x-coordinate would be 0. The y-coordinate would be 90. Okay. So now we have same idea, if you're going to try to find the x and y intercepts algebraically, x is 0, all right, because I'm looking for the y-intercept. So x is 0, you substitute in for 0, 3 times 0 is 0, so that goes away, and you get 3y equals 6, divide by 3, and so you get y equals 2. And so that you have an x-coordinate of 0 and a y-coordinate of 2. So that's your y-intercept. Looking at this example, here you have a hawk diving towards your prey. So your altitude, notice that your y-intercept is the starting point. Okay, the starting altitude. And then as the hawk is diving, the altitude goes down. Okay, and when the altitude is 0, that's your x-intercept. For the y-intercept, it's the starting point. So here in this example, you start with $30. So that is your y-intercept. Okay, when y is 30, and then your x is 0 right here. So this would be your dollars, your profit, and this is again how many days. Okay, so the starting amount is your y-intercept. And we'll start with that for now, and you can go ahead and practice on your Delta Math. Have a great rest of your day.